Introduce short overview of LuxBlue 1.5HP in/above ground pool pump. How does it differ from other brands? Because, consists of the following features. Superior water circulation performance, featuring advanced self-priming impeller technology. Our 1.5 HP pool pump delivers consistent and powerful hydraulic performance. With a maximum flow rate of 6,060 GPH, it can completely filter a 20,000-gallon residential pool in 3 to 5 hours. This ultra-efficient circulation ensures your pool water is turned over more times per day with less run time, providing optimal filtration for both above-ground and in-ground pools. Durable and energy-saving, powered by a robust 1,200 watts pure copper motor. This in-ground pool pump delivers efficient and stable performance while maximizing energy efficiency to extend the equipment's service life. It comes equipped with a standard grounded plug for enhanced safety, supporting hassle-free plug-and-play installation with no complicated wiring required. This design not only simplifies setup but also ensures safe daily operation, giving you peace of mind. Removable filter basket. Our above-ground pool pump features a built-in filter basket that quickly captures debris like twigs, leaves, hair, and stones, effectively preventing clogs in your plumbing system. Designed for easy maintenance, the basket can be removed, cleaned, and reinstalled in just a few minutes. Plus, the transparent cover lets you monitor debris levels at a glance, allowing for timely cleaning and making pool maintenance clear and effortless. Hassle-free installation. Our pool pump comes with 2 sizes of inlet and outlet adapters, flexibly compatible with PVC pipes and hoses of 1.25, 1.5, and 2 inch. No extra adapters are required to perfectly fit your existing plumbing system, delivering excellent universal compatibility. Combined with its straightforward setup is a breeze. Even pool maintenance beginners can complete the connection independently within minutes, without the need for any professional help. Wide range of applications. Equipped with a high-power motor and excellent weather resistance, this pool pump is ideal for both above-ground and in-ground pool filtration systems. It comes with 1.25, 1.5, 2 inches adapters for perfect compatibility with Intex and Bestway sand filter pumps. Delivering powerful water circulation and stable operation, it keeps your pool water crystal clear all summer long for worry-free use. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.